Good morning, dear students. I, Namur Rahman, will complete the question answer of Civics Chapter 1. And as we have already completed the question answer of History Chapter 1 and Geography Chapter 1. So today we will do the question answer of Chapter 1 Civics. And in the last of this video, I will give you the solution of objectives from History Chapter 1, Geography Chapter 1 and Civics Chapter 1, which will be very much useful for you in your periodic test 1. So let's start the question answer. Answer in one word or sentence. Give one features of democracy. People have a right to choose their representatives. Give two examples of discrimination in India. Religious discrimination, caste-based discrimination. Who provide guarantee for the fundamental rights? Constitution. Who was Martin Luther King, a social activist and leader of the civil rights movement in America? Exercise F, short answer questions. How did democracy originate? Democracy existed in ancient Greek city-states. They believed that all males should take part in the process of decision making. How does the rule of law affect democracy? In a democracy, there is a rule of law and respect of rights. All people are equal before the eyes of law, and law protects them equally. How does democracy have the best decision-making mechanism? Decision made in democracy are best decision-making mechanism involves many persons, discussions, meeting, etc. What is universal adult franchise? All adults 18 and above are allowed to vote irrespective of religion, caste, educational level and financial status, called the universal adult franchise. Long answer question. Explain various forms of government. Dictatorial power is concentrated in one person. Example, Iraq. Monarchical power is concentrated in a king. Example, Saudi Arabia. Parliamentary, the executive is a part of legislature and responsible to it. Example, India. Presidential, the president is the chief executive. Example, US. How does democracy accommodate diversity? India is a land of democracy and many religions, language, cultures, caste and beliefs. The preference of one group may clash with that of the other, leading to resentment. However, democracy offers an opportunity to this diversity to negotiate through dialogues and discussions. How has inequality affected India? Poor people in India are facing many challenges. They are part of the unorganized sector. They are hired and fired at the whims and fancies of their employers. Does inequality exist in other countries of the world? Inequality is not only prevalent in India, it exists even in developed states like the US, where African American were denied right to equality for centuries. तो बच्चों, ये क्वेश्चन आंसर इसका कंप्लीट हो गया. अब आप इसी वीडियो में हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी और सिविक्स के ऑब्जेक्टिव्स देखेंगे. वो सॉल्व मैंने कर दिए हैं, और बाकी पिछले वीडियोस की तरह आप वीडियो को पॉज कर करके अपने क्वेश्चन आंसर लिखेंगे और ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आप अच्छे से देख लेंगे. पीरियडिक टेस्ट में उससे क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. ये हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 1 का ऑब्जेक्टिव है. देख लीजिए अच्छे से. आप लोग पॉज करके इसको अच्छे से देख लेंगे, पढ़ लेंगे, कॉपी में लिख भी लेंगे. ये सिविक्स के चैप्टर 1 का ऑब्जेक्टिव है. इसको अच्छे से देख लीजिए आप लोग. मैंने सॉल्व कर दिया है इसको भी आप लोग पॉज करके लिख लेंगे, पढ़ लेंगे. और ये ज्योग्राफी के चैप्टर 1 का ऑब्जेक्टिव है. इसको भी आप लोग देख लेंगे. तो इस वीडियो में मैंने आप लोगों को कुछ आंसर करवा दिया सिविक्स के चैप्टर 1 का, और हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी और सिविक्स के तीनों चैप्टर से फर्स्ट चैप्टर्स का ऑब्जेक्टिव भी दे दिया मैंने. आप लोग इसको अच्छे से पढ़ लेंगे, जो आपको पीरियडिक टेस्ट में बहुत अच्छे से काम आएगा. ओके बच्चों, बाय.